So the first question is, can you share about your current job? What exactly do you do? What excites you about this job? How much of your IITM education are you currently using? Okay, so my current job is as the head of strategy for a program at Novartis called Data 42. Novartis is a global pharmaceutical company, one of the top three. Um, Data 42 is a strategic program led by the CEO and his corporate team, where we are responsible to implement big data, artificial intelligence in pharmaceutical R&D to transform the way medicines are built. What do I exactly do? So I look at multiple dimensions of this problem statement, which include technology, data, biology, and then organizational dynamics. And in my role, I bring together all aspects from all three different areas, trying to identify one, what goal should we aim for? So defining the goal for the company and saying, if we reach this goal, we're going to really be successful in transforming our R&D. Number two, I design the strategy, which is a set of integrated choices we make year on year to get to this goal. So that's what my job is. It involves a lot of problem solving, reading, and then also implementation of strategy requires management and execution. What excites you about this job? I think it's very core to my passion. I'm very passionate about creating impact. And out of the three problems that I'm interested in my life, healthcare is one of those problems. What I'm doing here can truly lead to cheaper, faster medicines, faster and with higher market access potential. We are using artificial intelligence to design therapies which are curative in nature and which are tailored for specific diseases, such that the adverse events are minimal. This kind of world would be very exciting, where most diseases have a cure for them, and I think that can really alleviate the burden of the unmet medical need in the society. So that really excites me, and I'm happy that I can apply my engineering, the technical knowledge, as well as my biological knowledge to a problem statement and define strategies to think a bit more business oriented. How much of my IITM education am I currently using? I would say quite significantly, and mostly on two aspects I mentioned before, engineering and biology. Engineering, in my view, is a skill of isolating a problem statement and then being able to design a solution for it, given whatever techniques, technologies, methods, processes are at your disposal. I think that skill is very well taught at a leading institution like IIT Madras, and I still use it day to day. Currently, I'm in the process of designing a business model for the company, and then there are many elements of thinking about how things work in abstraction. So today, let's say we're trying to build a product in the next 2 to 3 years, and there's questions from the senior management about, well, it's all great to know that that's the vision, and we understand a bit about the value behind it, but how is it all going to work? With my engineering hat, I'm able to actually attack that problem much better than other strategy people are. Also, when I talk about my core discipline, biology, that's incredibly relevant. My understanding about drug development, discovery, and how biology works has been incredibly helpful to do my job. And not only just do my job, but stay ahead of my peers who sometimes lack that core expertise.